Hello people, welcome back to the channel. Bikers are riding on a beach and perform tricks. Although there is no one on the beach, they are going to find man who doesn't like bikers. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Good deal. Don't say it no more.
Yes, sir.
What did you say?
I said yes, sir.
You want your ass out here this morning?
I ain't talking to you.
I'm telling you right now. You be smart with me, I'll carry your ass to that gate. You understand?
I'm not going fast.
One more time. I will see your ass out.
This is an interesting situation to comment on. Take a look and write your opinion below.
Dude, what?
In winter there is an alternative to motorcycle, but it also carries certain risks. Let's see.
What?
Snowmobile's a piece of junk.
Why?
It doesn't move.
Still?
Yes.
You might have low compression. Back up, back up!
Why?
Take off your jacket! Open the hood!
Oh, that's not put shape.
Frick!
Film.
I am!
Guys,
Oh my gosh!
Snowmobile's on freaking fire. It's on fire.
Throw snow!
Dead.
It's gonna freaking blow up. Dad, move! Put your helmet back on.
Guys, this is burning me. Why?
Dad, we gotta get it out.
I'm trying.
You're just sitting there. How? What do we freaking do? Dad, it's gonna freaking blow.
I noticed that.
We gotta move mine.
What are we supposed to do?
Move it. Help.
Gas is pouring out. Get the red camera.
Dad, we gotta go get freaking help. Stay here. Take this film.
The guy is trying to drive for help, but he is accompanied by bad luck. He just got stuck.
Freaking retarded! Gosh! It's done. It's a freaking piece of junk.
Yeah, my snowmobile's on fire.
Up here! Guys, it's doing nothing! Doing nothing! Snowmobiles aren't supposed to do this! They aren't supposed to catch on fire! Guys, I don't know what to do! Oh, shoot!
Start here. Hurry.
Want me to start blowing snow in it?
Oh, it's gonna freaking blow though.
It is. Yup.
They're already coming up.
You guys filming?
Fast as I could.
Yes? Viral video
They're
here.
coming up to catch us, and because we're gonna ride snowmobiles together. But then this happened, so I guess we're not.
Now, can we flip it? Yes, you can try. Move the shovel. Get it. Give me the shovel.
Oh, antifreeze.
Oh, yeah, antifreeze doesn't
Burn the hole in it.
Ah! Oh, this is worse. Yeah, this is way worse. Open back at that hood! Get stuck. Oh. Here. No.
It's not. It's leaking all the gas out now.
Dad, they're pretty easy to pull. Yeah.
Does this track go down to the park?
Yeah. Yeah, but it will still put it out. Lost my tread too. My track.
Now I see why it's
Oh, there it goes. Oh! Oh, sick!
Oh my god!
Oh! Oh!
It's like a blood sport.
Ready to get something. Woo!
What the heck?
We should go get some s'mores.
I want to call the fire department.
Susie, chill out.
You're gonna set the forest on
We're
fire.
not gonna set the forest on fire. Wait, you didn't do anything wrong. Your sticker may be burned off, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
just say I had it on the handle. I had it on the hood or something.
This car is driven by woman. Back is a drunk man. Here you can see the road is narrowing, and this is the moment that upset the people in the car.
Oh, oh, whoa! Yeah, whoa! Oh my God, yo, we gotta stop. We gotta stop.
He just hit the curb, bro. That was scary as fuck, man.
My bike's up.
Your bike's fucked up.
I know.
Where you at?
I'm behind you. We have to stop.
What happened?
An upset woman is looking for a biker who flew over the sidewalk, and she doesn't see the pickup ahead is braking.
Use your words.
Yo, pull over.
This is a biker who caused the problem. You can recognize him by his helmet. He is now leaving, and the drunk man gets out of the car and attacks a wrong biker.
Yeah, I know you know him. I know you know him.
You need to let go of my backpack right now. You need to let go of my backpack now.
I know you know him.
No, he has nothing to do with me, okay?
He just hit our car.
Just because I'm riding, doesn't matter. He's pulling over right there, okay? Pull over there. We'll get it sorted out. I ever try to pull my backpack, pull me off my bike and wreck me. Jesus Christ, are you freaking kidding me? Where's Twitch? Where are you at, Jake?
Good, I was coming back to get you.
You're trying to pull me off my bike, dude. Are you kidding me?
What's your problem, man? Okay, don't pull other bikers though. Don't pull other bikers though.
Excuse me? What?
Don't pull other bikers. He had nothing to do with it.
Okay, you hit the car.
I did not hit the car. I didn't hit the car.
You don't freaking pull on somebody else when they had nothing involved. You almost got me. You almost ripped me off my bike, dude.
Huh?
You almost ripped me off my bike, and then there'd be another accident. That'd been your freaking fault.
Your bike, dog.
Don't ever touch me. Don't ever touch me.
Huh?
Don't touch me. Get away from me.
Huh?
Get away from me.
Have to.
Get away from me.
Three of you what? I don't care.
We're not gonna fight you, dude. Just go away.
I'm not here to fight you either, man, but you
Just go away.
had nothing to do with it.